Look, this is 152 high insulation lift slide door. It's made of a newly upgraded 60666 T66 aluminum profile with thickness of 2.2 mm. We use thermal strips in 4 specifications: 24 mm, 28 mm, 32 mm, and 44 mm. The insulation cavity is filled with sound and heat insulating cotton. Our products have obtained NFRC thermal performance certifications with a lowest U value of 0.3 and a lowest SHGC value of 0.2. We also hold AAMA3 performance certification with a level up to CWPG 50A3 level. We have glass notches in 2 sizes, 33 mm and 42 mm. You can get the glass customized based on your needs. We also German hopper hardware and hobo handles. It uses the lever principle, so opening and closing it is super easy. This door has 2 available configurations: double track with double sashes and double track with 4 sashes. Plus, the corner joints use the corner booting glue injection process. This ensures great water techniques and air techniques, so you will never have worry about heavy stone again.
Stay with Wellste, no more window and door knowledge.